Hello everyone, this is Ding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sketchup Plugin called 1001 Bit Tools.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do so and click that notification bell. Let's import an AutoCAD file. We now have our plans, the ground floor, the second floor, and the roof deck. Let's group them. Before I make my 3D model on this one, first I need to lock it. I create my walls by using an extension plugin called 1001 Bit Tools. Now we have here a wall thickness of 0.15, a wall height of 3 meters. Let's make this 3.2. The wall that I have just created is a group, so I double click on it and pull. I now have my exterior walls done. Now let's go to the interior walls. This time the wall thickness is 0.10. Now let's create some openings on our walls for our doors and windows. Before we can do that, let's double click on the model. Again, let's go to a SketchUp plugin called 1001 Bit Tools. Walls and partition and openings on walls. My default opening was set at 0.40 and 0.60. I'll just accept this one. I will click on this. Just double click. Just approximately create your holes where your door shall be placed. I have some windows here. And press escape. Now let's edit our doors and windows opening. We need to have the width of this window opening to be at 1.8, so let's adjust it. We align this wall to this one. and this wall to be aligned to this point, and that dimension would be 1.8. Now we need to have the window sill. Let's edit again. And we need the height of this opening from this window sill to be at 1.575. Let's do the same thing with this opening. These are not the openings. We are ready to put the doors and windows components.
Thank you guys for watching and supporting this channel. I would also like to thank the following new subscribers. Thanks a lot. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Click that notification bell. More videos to come just like this. I will see you soon and bye for now.